Pasok po yung first line. Okay. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 13.
Rap! Nice team! Amin!
Yes, 2 points by jersey number 11. Yes, the basket provided by jersey number 11.
Easy lang. Balik.
Shot clock 15.
Nice.
Shot clock 10. Rebound number 21. Number 9. 2 points by jersey number 9. Change paper. It's born in favor of Wolves. Shot clock 10 seconds. Steal. Good, pagalit sa foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots by number 7, Jesus. First one, no good. Second shot. Is in. Number 21. Number 9 is landed in. Number 2 by jersey number 9. Score 9-4 in favor of Wolves.
Another! Tapat! Tapat ng Beltran!
That's a shot clock.
Tawi!
Shot clock 10. Up. Correction. Yellow ball, yellow.
Ay pa tayo dyan, Papa Dogs.
Hinga. Malambot yan. Yes, really nga. Joshua say. Say. Zerbi. Josh. Asan yung basa?
Nabasa. Ayun na. Pwede, makakit yan.
Muna sa lang.
Naburak. Login ako, kasi Josh. Pwede.
Number 7.
Down! Salubog! Isa, salubog!
Yes, lead by jersey number 81. 6 minutes. Time remaining for the first quarter. At 10 seconds. Jersey number 17. First foul, first team foul.
Nice, Rox!
Number 17.
Tatlo!
Number 9, big ones. Jersey number 9.
Harap! Hey! Sige. Iwan na! Pass!
Balik na po yung time.
Siyam lang kayo. Sarap kayo ba? Siyam lang. Hey! Okay.
Grabe nila. Ano ikaw? Oh, isa na. Kabila!
Shot clock 10 seconds. Number 10. Very good. Shot clock 10 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. Yes, number 23.
Bantay, bantay, bantay ah!
Number 3, Alex Emery.
Nice!
Nice D!
4 minutes to play. Two points by jersey number 20.
Sila, sila.
Shot clock down to 10. 5 seconds shot clock. Hindi po tama. Shot clock violation. Hello. Number 7 now. That's a double dribble.
Boss, ewan po sa lubungin! Pwede pa sa akin eh!
Score 13-12 in favor of Bulls. Number 6. Number 6. Slower.
Sayang!
Sila! Ulit, yes mo na yun! Cruz, ulit, Cruz!
2 minutes. For the first quarter.
Clean, 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 clean!
Yes, 2 points by jersey number 10. Change favor. 14 to 13 in favor of Cluster 5. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 5. It's still 1st personal foul, 2nd team foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds for the first quarter. One minute exactly. Let's take a shot clock. Shot clock 5 seconds. Yes, 2 points by jersey number 65. 40 seconds. 30 seconds remaining. 20 more. Yes, 2 points by person number 7. 10 seconds. Yes, basket now. Foul jersey number 6. First personal foul, 13 foul for free throw for jersey number 49. No, 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang po. End of the first quarter, score 18-15 in favor of Blaster Band. Okay, back to the ball game. Score 18-15. Yellow ball.
Manuel, nalalayan mo si Jessie. Ikaw na gumit na. Malapit pa lang, tulak mo na para palalas.
So good. Black ball, black ball, black ball, black ball.
Ang galing mo, Baldo! Pwesto, pwesto, pwesto!
Shot clock 15 seconds. Number 5 on the glass is good. Score 20-15 in favor of Blaster Band. Foul. Foul number 8. First personal foul, first team foul. No good. At basket, line violation.
Pwesto, pwesto. Tignan mo muna pagka may magka-press. Siyempre, tandok, sakat ka kung may wala.
Number 21. Number 5. To number 8. Go. Number 10. Number 21. Number 21.
Lapit, lalapit, lalapit.
Time out kami sa pagsama wala.
Okay.
Rebound, rebound! Gitna mo! Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw!
Number 21 again. Time out. Yellow.
Pag-sub time out nakita dito. Kailangan mo.
Yellow ball.
Tingin sa bola, tingin sa bola.
No. Rebound. Steal by number 9.
Taas down. 3 seconds.
Foul. Foul jersey number 5. First personal foul, second team foul.
Depensa kayo, depensa. Pre, tignan nyo, may cutter. Ayun na, cutter, gitna.
Shot clock down to 10. Yes, gets the basket. And there's a foul, jersey number 1. First personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus free throw is in. Oh, good rebound by jersey number 9.
Ayun na. Nice, Josh.
Steal by number 21.
Tingin sa ano, bola.
Oh, double rebound. Turnover for Cluster 5. Number 10. Oh.
Lapit.
Number 21 again.
Awal depensa. Buang kamay nga, buang kamay.
Number 9. 2 points. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Team ball. 32 seconds shot clock. Number 21 again. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock 5. No good.
Diretso mo na, Manuel.
Number 5. Oh. Stop. 5 minutes. Pagkapin na.
Grabe ka sa tubig ka.
Yellow mo.
Pre, na bola.
Number 2. 15 seconds shot clock. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Baba.
Oh, rebound number 7.
Kaya. Ayong.
Number 49. By number 77.
Dil, malinis na.
5 minutes to play. Number 9, 2 points. The first layup.
Tao.
15 seconds shot clock.
Depensa!
Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock 5 seconds.
Nice!
Timeout. Last score 26-24 in favor of Blaster Pride. Okay, bakit ang bagi? Jersey number 10 for the up. Shot clock. Down to 10.
Nice, nice! Come on!
Oh,
Easy!
rebound number 6. Number 7. Shot clock 10 seconds. Yellow ball.
Wala, okay lang. Bantay, bantay.
Score 26-24. 2-point lead for. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Nice, ano? Baba na!
Two points by Jackson number 9. The lead is tied by Texas. Yes, gets the basket. And there's a foul. Foul number 7-7. First foul, first team foul. One stroke by jersey number 3. No good.
Nice, nice. Para ini bola.
Another man.
Bump na.
No good. Rebound by jersey number 13.
Nice, throw ka!
Number 20 for 2. What a pass by jersey number 20.
Oh. Shoota! Bakit
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Ge.
2 minutes for the second quarter. Still by jersey number 9. To maintain a ridiculous step with Bertune.
Nice. Patay!
Shot clock 10 seconds. 2 points by jersey number 65. No good. Shot clock 8 seconds.
Taas kamay!
Oh. 1 minute remaining for the second quarter.
Kawit mo na ni Jet.
Shot clock 10 seconds. Foul 3. Number 3, which is foul. First personal foul, second team foul.
Tayo.
10 second shot up, number 13, no good. 4 seconds.
Ulit, sa lubong.
Shot up 15, 30 seconds remaining. Shot up 10. Number 9 is her jumper.
Bantay, bantay, pre, bantay.
20 seconds, wala po shot clock. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basta na lang mo ulit. End of the first half. Score 32-30 in favor of Blaster 5. Okay, bago na ball game. Yellow ball po, yellow ball. Black. Black ball, sorry. Inbound by Justin Number. Good. Still. Number 7-7. Number 7 points. The score is tied at 32. Oh, good. Alam mo, but there's a foul. Foul jersey number 10. Second personal foul, first team foul. First one, no good. Second. No good again. Rebound, no. Rebound by jersey number 17. Number 5.
Motion! Likod, likod, likod!
No. fought by number 21. Oh my God. Block right. Substitution. Mark out. Number 49. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. There's a foul. Foul number 1. 17. Number 17, second personal foul, 17. First one out. Good. Second. Number 49. Upshot by number 49.
Sampo pag may pagkakataon.
Okay po. Kaya po kanyang pagkakataon. Shot clock 10 seconds. No good. Okay, by number 7.
Agad, kulang.
Rebound by jersey number 65. To number 21, block. All ball. Good ball by number 49. Shut up, down to 15.
Luther.
Two points by jersey number 77. Steal by jersey number 13. There's the foul. Foul number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution. Take a shot. Alright. Foul number 21. Second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Number 13. Shot clock 10 seconds. Number 7, 2 points, James Trevor. Lamang na po ang Wolves, 39 to 38. 5 minutes exactly, para sa ating third quarter. There's a foul. Traveling, straight foot po, straight foot. Straight foot landing. Foul number 49. First personal foul. 30 foul pa lang. Steal by number 49. Number 49. Legend, no good. Offensive rebound by number 21. Behind the back pass to jersey number 5, no. Yellow ball. Score, 39-30.
Screen.
Shot up 15 seconds.
Bang, bang.
Pass the three, no. Another steal. Yes, the ball is by Okay, back to the ball game.
Ulit. Pagkakalangkan, boy. Hindi lang lagi sa bola. BBK boss!
4 minutes exactly para sa ating third quarter.
Kabila!
Good. Rebound by number 9.
Easy. Nice.
Number 13.
Presto.
To number 77. Number 13. No. Number 77 points. The lead is up to 7 by 3 points. Shot clock 10 seconds. Oh. Substitution. Keep out. Number 13, no good. Rebound by number 65. No good. Rebound by number 9. Steal by number 65. What a steal. Oh. Substitution, pull it out.
Chop. Relax mo, pahinga, oras lang, pahinga, pahinga.
2 minutes for the third quarter. Shot up 10. Nice.
Nice!
By jersey number
Depensa,
7.
depensa!
2 points.
Oh, harap, harap, harap! Oh, pa! Ay,
Number
nice!
2.
Oh, dali.
Number 9, fade away.
Nice! Nice, nice! Oh, bantay, pre! Wag panata ka! Bantay! Pare, left! Oh, yun!
15 seconds shot up. Yes, number 21.
Okay, kaya!
Bumuna pa. Number 77.
Pare!
55 seconds. Still again.
Pagkaya!
50 seconds. Number 9. Number 9. Good for two.
Nice,
Number
pre!
2.
Ichi!
40
Oh,
seconds.
bantay! Makatira! Kabila! Oh!
Number 5. Number 20. Good for two.
Okay lang. Oras!
25 seconds.
Oras! Ba naman? Di ba dun mo score sa
15 seconds.
Relax!
Shot up 10. 10 seconds remaining.
Nice!
Nice.
Bantay! Oras! Down!
Basta na lang po.
Buzzer!
End of the third quarter. Score 53-43 in favor of Bulls.
Something said, mabasa yung tubig. Wala, may tubig ba tayo dyan? Wala nga, naiwan ko eh. Kaya sabi mo, uwi ka na, dito ka. Natindi ka.
Don't take it daw sa'yo yung Mountain Dew.
Back on the ball game.
Sarap, gusto daw niya ni Carol ko. Dito eh.
Focus pre, ay titira, natira.
Number 6. So number 7. Fade away, no? Rebound.
Go! Dalawa yan, babagay nyo.
Number 49, no? But there's a foul. Foul. Number 10. Third personal foul. First one is in. Second shot. Christine again.
Sure lang. Relax.
Shot up 15 seconds. Shot up 10. Foul. 49. Oh, there's number 49. Second personal foul. First lead. 10 seconds shot up. Shot up number 5.
Shot, pare.
Number 10, Asa, ganda naman. No good. Ibang fight. Yes,
Nice
number
one,
10.
nice.
Good for you.
Extra, pre.
Let's give it
Ay, sawa na lang.
Shot up 10. Shot up 5.
Screen! Pare! Tira! Oh, nice! Nice!
And there's a foul. Foul number 21, Lucius foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Second.
Pick!
Shot up 10
Pick!
seconds.
Bumuka yan, bumuka.
Jump ball.
Natin.
Black ball.
Oh!
Inbound ball.
Pre, huwag niyo pupiluin! Bubelo! Try. Huwag niyo na paangatin! Para tigisan kayo. Tigisan agad!
Number 49. To number 17.
Oh, tumitig. Nagdodobi-dobi
To
na.
number 21.
Ayan, nice.
Shot up 10 seconds.
Good down. Easy!
That's good again. Number 13. Foul number 49, third personal foul. 13 foul. 13 foul. Third personal 13. Two shots para by 13.
Sila, okay lang. Chance sa rebound ha. Tip. Nice!
Substitution.
Pre, bobuelo na naman. Tingin. Pre. Open.
Number 49.
Okay na.
Shot up 15.
Kabila, nice.
And
Rebound.
good. Rebound by number 8.
Nice. Okay lang.
Number 6 to
Why
number
not?
7.
Nice.
Shot up 10 seconds.
Nice natin.
3-point shot. Number 8 out.
Kuha pick. Para bumuka pick.
Inbound by number 10. To number 7. No good. Inbound by jersey number 6.
Oh. Nice. Bantay. Pumabelo.
Number 21. Nice.
Kapit lang sa box. Hindi kaya kailangan makalubong agad. Para sinigay ko pag Oo. Relax. Bang.
Number 9. No good. Inbound by number 7. 7 block by number 6.
Nice natin. Okay lang.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Sap.
Number 6 out. Inbound.
Buha bola. Dalawa. Buha.
Number 7. Shot clock 5 seconds.
Nice. Baling.
Foul number 49.
Nice, Jake.
Number 49. Warning for disqualification. Warning for penalty.
Nice.
Two shots by jersey number 7.
Relax. Nice.
First one is Steve.
Rebound. Shoot yan.
Second. Still again.
Oh, Bobelo na naman. Oh, buka. Oh. Salubong.
Number 49. There's a foul. Foul number 13 into the arm. First personal foul, second team foul.
Oh, hinga.
First shot is in.
Rebound. Kabila sa
Second shot, no good.
Easy.
Score, 48-58 in favor of the Blues.
Maka-pick para may lumuwag.
Shot up 10 seconds. Number 9. good for 2.
Depensa, pre! Depensa! Yan na! Bibilisan niya! Yan na! Oo. Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh. Nice. Salubong, nice. Ganda. Alam mo na.
Number 20.
Nice! Nice, sakto.
Still by number 49.
Oo. Sakto kaya.
Number 65, too strong.
Ay no! Baba na! Pagkaya! Rekta! Pagkaya!
Number 7. Time out, cluster pass, score 62-48 in favor of Wolves.
Relax. Relax. Sini, sebelah. Uy. Kita tahu pre ha. Kita tahu. Ayo ba? Kas wala ko yung sila. Sila yung mundo. Bukas yung gitna.
Number 10. Number 49.
Hi!
Number 65, shot clock 10 seconds. Number 65, no good.
Hello, nice. Nice. Oh, baba.
Good.
Relax.
Number 30.
Gamit oras.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Big, pag masikip. Tira
Shot clock 5.
Nice.
Number 77.
Ilang.
Shot clock 10.
Ilang. Oh, bumibilang. Tumatakbo.
Number 48, number 5, no.
Nice. Silang, okay. Gamit oras. Relax.
Pass to number 77.
Gamit oras, pre.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Nice.
Still.
Okay lang. Batay. Nice.
Tempo.
Nice D.
Number 49 now. And number 21.
Batay. Siya, butas ako.
Number 10, shot clock 10 seconds. Number 5, no good, but there's a foul. Foul number 10, hit to the head.
Okay lang.
Number 10, warning for disqualification. Third team foul.
Nice. Rebound, pre. Rebound, pesto.
Second shot is in.
Oras. Relax lang. Para may pahinga, pare.
Number 7, shot clock 10.
Rick, ganyan na screen.
4 minutes exactly. Shot clock 5. Number
Nice. Nice. pre, depensa. Depensa, depensa.
Number 2.
Oo. Bumelo, bumelo.
Number 10 of the glass is good.
Relax, oras, oras. Yan, jump ka oras, jump ka oras. Nice.
Ping ball, substitution.
Pre, lapitan nyo para may pick na. Tulungan nyo,
Shot clock 12
tulungan nyo.
seconds. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5.
Floater.
Number
Nice.
Buster.
Nice. Defense, 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 defense. Pre, 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 kabila, kabila, kabila.
And still by number 77. Next it up, next inning.
Oo, baba, baba, baba.
Score 69-51. Naman po ang
Ala, depensa lang rin.
number 21, that's a pass on one. Good person.
Oo, oras, pre, oras. Dami to oras. Ah, dami to oras. Relax, relax. Pick, pick, pick para lumuwag. Nice. Oh, relax, relax.
Number 77.
Okay lang. Oh,
Baba
baba.
number 65.
Depensa, pre, depensa. Salubong, salubong, salubong.
Number 10.
Bantay, 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 bantay. Bantay, 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 bantay.
Good again. Last 2
Oras,
minutes.
oras na, dami to oras, dami oras.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
Sige, oras lang pare. Gamit oras. Tira
5
na.
seconds shot clock.
Nice, Jay.
Last 5. Back to the ball game. Game ball. Number 5. Fire set 3, no good. 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Highlights mo, pare. Highlights mo.
15 seconds shot clock.
Nice!
Nice pass.
Katropa yan.
No good. 1 minute. Second. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 3. Ayan. 40 seconds. No good. Okay.
Pau!
20 seconds.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Highlights! Highlights!
10 seconds. 2 points. At yan pa rin karabas ng ating second game. Nanalo po ang Team Wolves 73-55.
I see that you said.
Best player of the game, jersey number 9 with 33 points.
Picture mo na. Siyempre. Oo nga.